In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an app for easier access using Miro. Pinning apps that you frequently use can significantly streamline your workflow by making them readily accessible right where you need them. We're going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can get the most out of your Miro workspace. To get started, let's head over to Miro's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in miro.com, then hit enter. Once the page loads, you will see the login button. Click this to proceed. Miro offers various sign-in options, but the choice is yours. Whether you'd like to log in using your email or through your Google account. If you decide to go with your email, click on the prompt that says continue with email and enter the required credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Now that we're on the dashboard, you should be able to see all your boards. Click on the board you want to work with. Once inside your board, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several options, including a plus button. This is the area where you can manage and add extensions or apps. Click on the plus button. You'll be presented with a list of apps that are available to enhance your Miro board. Your task now is to locate the app you intend to pin for easy access. Take your time to browse through the list, as Miro offers a diverse selection that caters to various needs. When you've found the app that you frequently work with and want to pin, you'll see a pin icon situated next to it. Simply click on this pin icon. This action will immediately move the app to a more convenient spot, ensuring that it's easily reachable every time you're working in your board. If you know the name of the app you're looking for, there's an alternative and possibly quicker method. You can utilize the search function. In the same menu where you click the plus button, you'll find a search bar. Just type in the name of the app and press enter. Once the app appears, hover over it to reveal the pin icon and click it to pin it for easy access. And there you have it, you've successfully pinned an app on Miro, which should make your workflow smoother by reducing the time you might spend searching for frequently used tools. This simple yet effective feature can make a significant difference in managing your tasks efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to pin an app in Miro. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. We hope you find this new capability convenient and empowering for your Miro experience.